Any luck, Tex?
No.
Oh, dude.
Can do another one of those? Not at my herd though.
You need a bigger screen, didn't you?
Oh, that doesn't look too healthy. Lovely. Lovely, mate. Another one of those.
Look at the sky I'm getting.
Yeah. Lean now. I don't know which way to go. It's unpredictable. We've got one good one out of 20, Mike. Yeah. We do want a good one. So close.
Lovely. I'm actually I'm gonna recording.
I'm there.
You alright, mate? How you doing here? Got Mike here. Mate, with a few planes, lovely day.
Bushes in it.
Why are you filming this bit then?
Just trying to understand what he is, what he does, you know. What you think?
Man of many things. Never actually seen this, it's quite weird. I'm always looking at it down the lens. Oh, that flies lovely.
It's really nice.
Isn't it? It's like a fucking bullet.
That's with the wings out. Ready? Slow down a bit first.
You could kill someone with that, couldn't you?
Yes.
Ah!
Go on, mate.
Whoa!
Excellent, got that.
That's lovely.
Great Scott!
What was that thing again?
Heavens and Murgatroyd, Michael.
How high can you get this? Fuck me. Heavens to Murgatroyd. It's such a good spectator awareness.
You could say he's quite dandy.
You could say he's got a lot better.
You've adopted quite a good stance there, Greg.
Lost him.
Oh.
Here we go, good and big.
Mighty close.
Oh, good and big. Big.
Can we reenact that YouTube video of the Harrier? We go over our heads. No. Oh my god! The battery dead.
I'll check the food.
So you're not flying this one? No, I'm all cool. I'll be getting some chips though. I don't fucking want one, I want chips. Mate! Oh, just go.
Oh god, we're
Just do it.
It's gonna shit.
What's he running to? It's home. Oh, I'm feeling the wind.
there, look.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Turn now. Yeah. Great whip.
Stalling.
You got one man in the dog over there.
Oh, I fucked it out now. There's a bug on my fucking lens. Whoa, whoa.
All the way to go.
Is there any chance you can do that again?
You're taller than me, she's had that. She's helped me out.
What do you got against Mayflower?
Yeah. One more.
You're lucky.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, I didn't get that one. Sorry about that.
He put the kid got him nice. Go away, Sid, I don't like you.
Let him sit on the...
I don't want him. He's your turn, not mine. Mike, get the fries.
Heaven's the burger, Troy.
Careful.